Right. So you're probably watching this video because you're struggling to get your A2P verified in your Go high level account. I got my A2P rejected for like a whole bunch of different reasons. I have no clue how to fix it, and then I keep on trying to resubmit it, and then I got this thing called maximum 3 tries exhausted, which is a pain in the ass to deal with. But I believe I'm going to get it verified within about 48 hours of time. So I just want to share with you exactly how I went through the process to fix maximum 3 tries exhausted or resubmit it because you got failed, and it's a whole bunch of crap and baloney that you have no clue how to solve. You want to first make sure you're in agency dashboard. So you just click on this button right over here to get into this dashboard. At the bottom, it would say whatever, welcome, and then it will allow you to join a Zoom meeting. So essentially what I do is I click on this button, and then you'll be led into a special. So I'll show you what it looks like. I'm not too sure if you hear the background, but you click on join meeting, and then you'd be in some Go high level support program, like you can see right over here. If I just click on join audio, then I'm currently muted right now. But essentially, they're gonna just bring you to some random ass room. You wait a bit, you get with a specialist, and then you tell them that your A2P isn't verified or rejected because it's so strict nowadays. Like 99% of business owners will get rejected for the most bullcrap reason. And so run through the entire process. No, I'm not gonna stay muted. And what you have to do is you join that invitation live, and then you walk through the process of submitting everything, the business address, everything with a live specialist in Zoom, and they would point out exactly what changes you have to do in your website, how to fix it, make sure that every credential matches and you have the right number. And then if anything goes to plan, you go through the thing and it still gets rejected because that's what happened to me. You then go ahead and email support asking to manually verify your business address, your information, and then once they manually verify it, then you can go ahead and get it accepted, hopefully. But yeah, hope that helps.